Electronic Data Interchange. Electronic Data Interchange, EDI, is a technology that facilitates the electronic exchange of business documents between organizations in a standardized digital format. It eliminates the need for manual, paper-based processes by enabling automated communication between computer systems. EDI ensures that data such as purchase orders, invoices, shipping notices, and inventory updates can be transmitted seamlessly, reducing errors and improving operational efficiency. This system is governed by standard formats like ANSI X12, EDIFACT, and XML, which ensure compatibility between different organizations' systems. Advantages of EDI. One of the key advantages of EDI is its ability to automate processes that would otherwise require significant time and human effort. By structuring data in a machine-readable format, EDI eliminates manual data entry, thereby minimizing errors and increasing the accuracy of transactions. It also uses secure communication protocols such as AES-2, FTP, and value-added networks to ensure the safe transmission of sensitive information. This makes EDI not only efficient but also highly reliable in maintaining the integrity of business data. Benefits of EDI across industries. The benefits of EDI extend across various industries. In retail, for instance, it is used to exchange purchase orders, invoices, and shipping notices between suppliers and retailers. In healthcare, it facilitates the electronic submission of claims, payment processing, and verification of patient eligibility. Logistics companies rely on EDI for managing shipment schedules, updating inventory, and handling freight bills. The widespread applicability of EDI underscores its importance as a tool for streamlining business processes and improving inter-organizational communication. EDI implementation process. Implementing EDI involves several steps to ensure a smooth and efficient transition from manual processes. First, organizations need to identify their business requirements and select the appropriate EDI standards and communication protocols, such as ANSI X12 or AES-2, that align with their needs. Next, they must choose an EDI solution provider or software platform capable of integrating with their existing enterprise resource planning or supply chain management systems. Once the system is in place, businesses must map their internal data formats to the standard EDI formats to ensure compatibility with their trading partners. Testing is a critical phase, where trial exchanges of EDI documents are conducted to verify the accuracy and security of the data flow. Finally, after successful testing, the system goes live, and organizations continuously monitor and maintain the EDI processes to address any issues and ensure ongoing efficiency. EDI components. EDI standards define how data is formatted for exchange. ANSI X12 is widely used in North America. EDIFACT is an international standard used globally. Tradacomms is used in the UK retail sector. XML is frequently adopted in modern systems due to its flexibility. EDI supports the exchange of various document types, including purchase orders, invoices, advanced shipping notices, inventory updates, and payment remittances. Communication protocols determine how EDI documents are securely transmitted between systems. AES-2 is a widely used internet-based protocol. FTP or SFTP, that is File Transfer Protocol or Secure File Transfer Protocol. WAN or Value-Added Networks are third-party networks for secure communication. Types of EDI. In direct EDI, businesses directly exchange documents via secure communication protocols like AES-2. This is suitable for large organizations with many trading partners. In EDI via WAN, a value-added network acts as an intermediary, ensuring secure transmission and managing document routing. Web EDI allows smaller businesses to participate in EDI, using web portals to exchange documents with trading partners. Finally, in mobile EDI, emerging solutions allow businesses to conduct EDI transactions using mobile devices, enhancing flexibility and accessibility. Alternatives. While EDI remains widely used, other technologies are also gaining traction. APIs provide real-time data exchange and flexibility compared to traditional EDI. E-invoicing is used for direct invoicing without the need for full-scale EDI. Smaller organizations sometimes prefer manual web portals for limited transactions, though they lack EDI's automation. Challenges. While EDI offers significant benefits, there are challenges to consider. Implementing EDI can require substantial investment in software, hardware, and training. Organizations must ensure their systems align with the EDI standards and protocols of their trading partners. EDI systems require ongoing monitoring, updates, and support to function efficiently. Safeguarding sensitive data during transmission is critical, requiring robust encryption and authentication measures. EDI in emerging technologies. Cloud platforms are transforming traditional EDI by offering scalable, subscription-based services that reduce infrastructure costs. Modern EDI solutions increasingly integrate with application programming interfaces, enabling real-time data exchange and improved flexibility. Blockchain technology is being explored to enhance transparency, traceability, and security in EDI processes, especially in supply chains. To summarize, electronic data interchange is a system that enables businesses to exchange documents and data electronically in a standardized format. It replaces paper-based processes with secure, automated communication, improving efficiency and reducing errors. EDI supports various document types such as purchase orders, invoices, and shipping notices and is used across industries like retail, healthcare, and logistics. With communication protocols like AS2 and FTP, EDI ensures secure data transmission, making it a key technology for streamlining business operations.